Perfect.
All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to the show. Of course, this is TradeIntuition. My name is Joe, and welcome back. Welcome back. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to do Bitcoin, like we always do. Go over Bitcoin. I'm not going to go over any news today. This is running really late. Charts have been just going crazy. But what I like to do is I like to stop and collaborate. But most importantly, listen. That's the key. Like, you have to have your ears open and you have to listen. All right, guys, this is no joke. We are going to make so much money. It's crazy. The only thing we have to do is we have to be patient. Let the trades come to us. There have been so many alerts that have been going off today that it's just madness. It's madness. Now, granted, did I post 20, 30 charts in the VIP? Nope. Did I post 20, 30 charts in the free group? Nope, sure didn't. They need to have more price action in order for me to say, okay, this one's ready. Now, yesterday, I did post, I think 1 or 2, and one of them, I strongly recommend, guys. Like, I want to tell you this stuff, but I want you to be in the groups, whether it's the free group or the paid group, doesn't even matter. But I want you to be in those groups. So definitely click on the link. Of course, the link is in the description, and also the link is in the pinned messages. So the link is in the pinned messages, and it'll make you money, guys. It will make you money. All right, moving on. Oh yeah, also, if you want to get paid for your unused internet, this also is in the description. So right now, I mean, it's the past couple of days, it's been kind of under maintenance, and then it'll get active. I guess because right now they're having a lot of people, I guess, supporting their stuff. But definitely check it out. And of course, use my referral link. It does help support the channel. Blah, blah, blah. All right, let's go. Let's go. All right, so let's look at this. I want coins, guys. I want coins. Send me coins. Well, don't send me coins. Tell me the coin you would like me to do. And well, let's all look at it. Let's all see if we can make some money. And if there are none, then of course, then we will go some of the lists that we've already looked at. There was one that was posted or asked on YouTube, I think it was yesterday or day before yesterday. And that one went up pretty nice. And so we'll just check it out. All right, moving on. I'm getting feedback. Why am I getting feedback? So that's muted. All right, so we got some people watching on Twitter. So very nice. I do appreciate you. And thank you for smashing the likes. Same thing here on YouTube. I appreciate each and every one of you who smashes the likes. Of course, this is free content that I give you every single day at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please do not forget to smash the like. That's how you show your support. You know, I'm over here giving you knowledge so you can make money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame. We have resistance where we have identified the other day. It's right here. It's trying to break through, couldn't do it. Trying to break through, couldn't do it. Trying, and said, never mind. I came all the way down, went into our zone, and then now it's trying again. Right at resistance, guys. Right at resistance. See, sound is good. Thank you, man. Appreciate you greatly. And now it is, you know, right at resistance. Is it going to fake us out again, coming down? And then eventually possibly going up, and then this time breaking out? That could be a possibility. Or will it come down? And this is one thing that I used to hate. Man, type a 1 if you are the same way. I used to hate when people would say, oh, it's going to do this, or it's going to do this. It's like, well, dude, like, you didn't help me. So you're telling me it's either going to go up or down. Thanks, man. You're a joke. That's what I used to think. Now, that's what you have to realize, that these are all levels. If it breaks, so right now I'm whispering to you. Right now I'm whispering. If it breaks above this level and finds support, well, now it's bullish. Until it breaks this level and goes down. Now it's not so bullish. When you just simplify that portion of trading, it makes it so much easier. It really does. Same thing here. If it breaks this level, you know, more than likely it'll come down, maybe bounce off of this support before it continues down, bouncing off of the support, and then maybe gaining strength due to the market, due to everything else. So just kind of give you a heads up. All right. Very good, guys. Thank you so much for smashing the likes. I do greatly appreciate it. And as always, Give me your tokens. What are you guys looking at? Let's make some money together. Don't hide these tokens for yourself. Now with this is a 1 hour show. Nothing's prepared. Yesterday I had some news prepared, but nothing's prepared on this show. And if you like that, great. Why should you like that? Well, because all this rest of the hour is to go over your coins. I am your free mentor for 1 hour a day. If you want to know how to use indicators, if you want to know why I don't use certain indicators, if you have a chart that you're thinking about entering but you're not too sure on, let me know. And what I would do is I will give you my mentorship. I will give you my time. I'll give you all this for free. No bait and switch. No, none of that stuff. Oh, well, I'll tell you the rest of the story if you join my VIP. No, none of that. I tell you the information that I know. All of it. I just want you to make money. Plain and simple. Plain and simple. All right, so let's go over some charts. Smash the likes, guys. Smash the likes. The likes actually fuel the stream. If I see that the likes aren't up, then the stream dies. You don't want the stream to die. Nobody would want the stream to die. And let's see here. So likes are sure helpful. Let's see this one, Boston. Where's all my stuff? Oh, because I'm on this one. I got to go to my YouTube. So that's very important. Ah, man, I hate this question. I never know what to say. There are unsafe changes on your chart layouts. You will lose them if you close a tab. Okay, save and reload. Sure. I don't know. Uh-oh. Those are all my alerts. I had a lot of them. And now I got to change this to YouTube. Here we go. Here we go. We did this on YouTube, guys. Bingo and a bango. This was done day before yesterday. This was done day before yesterday. So we will get to IMX. We will get to IMX in just a moment. But this is just to show you that following this YouTube video, YouTube channel, that you can make money. And I show you, I give you the whole setup, you know, right there. We went up to 61% and then started coming down. That's pretty good stuff. Let's see here. Your 5HW. I'm an old man guy. I don't know what 5. I don't know. You're the man. Oh, thank you, brother. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. All right. Let's see if we can make some money. But yeah, so on this one, Boston, we talked about it right here when it was in the doing the dump, and we said, yeah, we put it a little bit right here and a little bit lower just in case. And sure enough, look at that. So good stuff. All right, moving on. Smash the likes, guys. Smash the likes. And you see the likes to go up, please. It's free. And I give you free content. Like, this is how valuable I know what I have is. If there are no likes, increase in likes, I stop the show. Not to be full of myself or not to be ugly or nothing like that. But this is free mentorship. You would pay $500 an hour for what I have to offer you. You really would. Let's see how many people drop. Because they don't like the truth. Let's see how many people drop. And it should, I think there's like a 10-second delay. So I want to see if people drop or if the likes go up. This is me showing that I know the value that I have is real. Because I don't show you stuff that could happen as far as, oh, do we have a double top right here? And this is what happened. No, I tell you what we would have done at the moment of the trade while that double top was in play. You know, that's the difference between me and everybody else. I guarantee it, guys. I guarantee it. The difference between me and everybody else. Well, for one, there's several differences, but I want to do this real quick so I know to edit this. The top differences between me and everybody else. For one, I show you how to make money before asking you to join my VIP. Other groups, they want you to pay for their VIP so they can show you how to trade. I don't. I show how to make money. And if you want to, you could join my VIP or go to a VIP that you're wanting to go in. That's one of the hugest difference that I offer. Number two, I show you what I would do at the moment of the trade, not after the fact. Everybody else, and this gets me so furious. I am so mad and upset with this. And people, they don't open their eyes because they don't know what is out there, because everybody else does this. What everybody else does is they say, look at this, it's a double top. Look at this, it's a double bottom. Look at this, inverse head and shoulders. And they show you what happened. I don't do that. I show you when we're in the moment of the trade, because that's what's going to make you money, not after the fact. Oh yeah, definitely. Enter here, yeah. Because, and then you would look for a reason. Oh, we have, it's oversold, or there's a divergence. And then, oh man, they're so brilliant. That's true. There was this and this and this. Man, I'm gonna make so much money with them. They are lying to you guys. They are lying to you. I need your help. Share this information out. Smash the, man, I need those likes up. I need those likes up. If you're watching this right now and you don't like my content, that's fine. Go watch somebody else. If you're here, get those likes up. I'm telling you guys, I will make you money. I will make you money before I ask for you to join my VIP. So this is the huge difference between me and everybody else. They show you what happened after the fact. Oh yeah, look at this. I show you how to get this. That's all I got. So I understand there is a few minutes delay, or a few seconds delay. So as I'm seeing the likes come up, that fuels the channel. Let's see here. Let's see what we got on here. Let's see here. Murphy says, thanks Joe for the tip on ICP. It crossed down 9 MA on daily and sold. Waiting to enter again. Awesome, man. So happy. So very happy. Let's see here. Okay, we'll look at that. Is that a token? C10? Is that a token? ASI? I didn't even look at it. I just read the news yesterday, but I didn't even look at it. Let's see here. Let's see. C10 Chevy guy says, appreciate all your efforts, Joe. Much love. Oh, appreciate you, man. Appreciate you. Yeah, so definitely, if we can get those likes up, that would, like I said, that fuels the channel. It fuels it for so much, and then it kind of starts losing its strength. And then once it loses so much strength, then we lose connection, and the stream ends. Let's see. Yeah, we're gonna get Rose. See here. So come on, guys. 11 watching. 4 likes. Smash it. Yeah, guys. Smash the likes. People are just joining in right now. We got more watchers coming in, so that's good. Definitely, as you come in, smash the likes. Even if you don't know what the channel is, smash the like, and then if you leave, you can unsmash it if you want. Let's see here. Hamzer says, very much appreciate all you do, Joe. Thank you. And then Crypto420 says, sheesh, hit the likes, guys. Hit the likes. Let's see. Jono says, hey, Joe, liked. Can we have an update on Cream, please? Yeah, definitely. So I don't forget, this will be the first one we'll do as far as the update, and then I'll work backwards. All right. So let's go and look at Cream. So let's go to this. Let's go. And now what I recommend also doing is recharting this stuff. So here we did Cream back on the 22nd. And we said that it could either go one or two ways. One, coming down here, or two, going up. You know, because that's usually what happens. And sure enough, it did come down a little bit, and then it stopped. It found support. And then it started coming up, started creating a higher low. So this is building strength. So if you didn't enter here, you know, based off how I teach and how I train, you would have entered the break of this level, the break of this high. And that would have been on the 4-hour time frame. So it's a confirmed, like here on this one, let's get rid of this junk so we can kind of just see it more. So let's do this, and let's do this, and let's do this. Okay. And then let's also take this off so we can actually see what we're doing. So this candle right here is a confirmed breakout, and due to the size of this candle, I'm going to say yes, I would have entered. If, let's say the breakout level was like this right here, this yellow line, and the little bitty sliver of a candle was just above it, I wouldn't have entered. I would have waited. And then this one, same thing, I would have waited, just because we're seeing sell pressure. Then this one closed above it, I would have entered. So that's if the price, if this was our breakout level. So I'm trying to show you that. But, you know, based off of my teachings don't change. You know, they'll sometimes adapt to the current market, but they don't change. So this right here would have been our level. You would have had your alert set more than likely above this wick right here, because you don't want it way up here because you're missing all the move. You'd have the alert set right here. And then on top of that, you would have gotten alerted. You would have entered the trade, and it came all the way up here. How much did it go up to? And this one, we're still in this one. We're doing real nice on this one. You would have up to 12%. Would you have known to take profit there? Not really. More than likely, if it was me, I would have had my target somewhere up here, around 15, 20%. Now, even though I know it came down, did you notice that? Did y'all pick that up? I show you what I would have done at the time of the trade, not based off of what I see. Everybody else, all these other mentors, oh yeah, definitely, I would have got taken 10% off the bat, you know, just to get my, because they see this. I show you what I would do at the time. I cannot stress that enough. That's what sets me apart from everybody else. Everybody else. Come join my group, guys. Come join my group. It's free. That's right. It's free. Come join my group. Just put the link in the description. Of course, it's also pinned and also in the comments. Join me. Let me show you how to trade. Let me show you how to trade. I want to build a strong team. I want to build warriors. And I believe that we can. It just depends on the person. Like, how bad do you want it? It's free, Joe. It has no value. Okay, that's fine. Go and pay for somebody else so they could allegedly teach you how to trade, and they're showing you after the fact. I will show you how to trade in the moment when it really counts. When it really counts. And then when you make money, not if, but when you make money, and you want to join my VIP because the free group is so amazing and you're getting way more content in the free group than any other paid group, well, just know that our VIP, I mean, if you think the free group is great, you haven't seen nothing yet. Nothing. With that being said, if you haven't entered this trade, same scenario. What we do is we get our level, and we put it right here. We set our alert right above this wick. This would be our alert. And then once it hits the alert, you see if the 4-hour candles are maintaining this level. If so, you enter. If not, you can either wait or have a lower entry possible right on here. This will be your lower bid. All right, moving on. So that is that one. Let's see here. 1 second. Let's put this one to a this color. All right, moving on. Let's see here. Thank you guys for smashing the likes. I greatly appreciate you. Today we are working backwards. We're working from bottom up. Next one's gonna be Rose. Can we look at Rose? Yes, definitely. So let us look at Rose. This is gonna be ROSE USDT. And we can do Binance. Oh, wait. Oh, no, that's already there. Okay. So looking at this one. Oh, let's do MEXC. Let's see if I have anything on MEXC. Rose, USDT, MEXC. Okay, I do. All right. So this one, we were saying when the price action was here. More than likely you'll do this number. We have an alert up here so that if it does come up, then of course we get alerted. And this is what sets me apart. Let me do this again. I gotta find this. This is what sets me apart from everybody else. I don't post this trade. Like here, it was doing really nice. I didn't post this trade. I have an alert set. So instead of me posting this saying, hey, buy the breakout or whatever, and you see this and say, oh man, it's going good, it's going to break out, let me enter the trade, and now you're holding it for all this time. So this, when I actually did this, was back over here. I want to say maybe 10 days ago, 15 days ago, when I did this chart and thought process. Because I was saying that more than likely it could, nobody knows what's going to happen. It could come up, come down, come up, rejection again, then finally break through and then give us a fake out because we've had this really nice run up. And then do this number. And look what happened. Look what happened. Now, does this happen all the time? Nope, sure doesn't. That's why we set alerts. This is what sets me apart from everybody else. I set alerts. I don't tell you about a trade so you can enter it and be stuck in it. Whenever I mention a trade in my group, it's ready. It is. I have done all the waiting for you. You know, there's times where three different alerts that I put go off, and I still have to wait 12 more hours before I post it in the group. And normally when I post in the group, within minutes, sometimes hours, maybe a day, it moves. I do all the waiting for you. And that's why there's some times where we'll go without posting any charts 2 or 3 days, because I'm waiting for the setup to come to me so I can get to you. That's what we do in the VIP. So anytime I show a result, I have a lot of results, guys. I just haven't posted them. Like, let me just, here we go. Just 1 second. Let me go, trying to go into my folder. I need to get this more organized. It's like, Joe, you were doing so great, and then you just stopped. What happened? Well, this happened. So, let's see here. We were talking about the free group, right? So this is in the free group. I want you to see something. We posted here. And when did it take off? Boom. Just shortly after. What time frame is this? This is a 30-minute time frame. We posted it here, you know, for this level, and then it took off. So that's one. And this was posted in the free group. It's not even the VIP. This is just a free group. Like I said, when I post these, they're ready. So here's another one. Here's another one. So this is a 4-hour chart. This is a 4-hour chart. And watch this one. I don't mess around, guys. Like I'm dead serious with what I do. Here, this was posted again in the free group. Get out of here. Get out of here. If you're not in the free group, I don't know what's going on. I posted this. Whenever I post, they are ready, guys. Now, does this happen all the time? Nope. Sure doesn't. Will I ever promise that this happens all the time? Nope, sure won't. What I'm telling you is I'm showing you what I do. I do the waiting for you. So that whenever I show results like this, more than likely you're in the trade. Here, scaling trade idea. This was our entry, break of this level, and you can even verify it. Go into the free group, send me a message on Telegram, the link's in the description, send me a message, and just type in PROPS in the search. And you'll see all the times I posted about it, all the follow-ups I did for the free group. I do follow-ups on the free group. Imagine what I do for the VIP. I do video thought process in the free group. Imagine what I do in the VIP. I do way more, guys, in the VIP. And people are blown away with the free group. Now, here, we posted it in the free group, and sure enough, it took off. It took off. Now, more than likely, I believe this was the area that we entered, possible. And then it went and did this, but this might have been the area too. I have to double check that because I think these times are maybe different. But just to let you know, whenever I post, we're making money, usually. And if not, maybe a day, and we're making money. Does it happen all the time? No, sure doesn't. Sure doesn't. Let's see here. This one, this is for the VIP. So this is for the VIP, same chart, props. This is for the VIP. This is why it's so important to be in the VIP, because of course I give it to the VIP first, and then when it's ready for a re-entry, I give it to the free group. In 6 days, 266%. Now, am I posting 20, 30 charts a day, or even 10 to 20 charts a day? Nope, sure not. I post the max 3 charts a day. There's times where I don't post any charts for 2 or 3 days. And there's times where I'll just post 1 or 2 charts in a day. So that when we show results like this, you're in this trades. Like, how many groups have you been in where they're like, oh yeah, you know, we did 260% on this, but then they posted 120 trades that week. Not only that, but on their YouTube channel, they posted like an additional 30 or 40 for that week. Here, everything that I show you, if you're in the group, there is an extremely high probability that you're in these trades. I do not show, oh, buy the breakout, and then you buy it, and then you're stuck in it. I wait. I do all the waiting for you. I do all the waiting for you. So just to give you a heads up. So definitely smash the likes, guys. Definitely smash the likes. We are absolutely killing it in the group. I greatly appreciate the likes being smashed. I appreciate everybody who's in on the Twitter space. I appreciate everybody watching there as well. What I do, I know. And what I don't know, I ask for help. Now, if you are not successfully trading and you need help, nothing to lose. Join the free group. And for those that know what I do and how I do it, they go straight into the VIP, because I have videos 3 minutes, 4 minutes long that explain all of my thought process per topic. No fluff, straight to the point. Give you a heads up. All right. So let's see here. Rose. What we do with Rose? Well, let's check it out. Let's check out Rose and see what we can see. All right. So right now we're looking at Rose. And let's see here. Let's see here. Let's see. So let's see. Murphy says something. What I hated was the saying, we bought here, but where they bought was 8% lower than what they're saying by the breakout. So basically they're front running it and just adding to their bags. That's what you're saying that you hate about those groups? Yeah. And that's because you were in the paid group. Like for me, what I'll do is, of course, in the VIP, like we get the call out first, it's only fair. And then when it's ready for a re-entry and I add it to the VIP, then that's when I add it to the free group. And of course, that's only fair. All right. Let's see here. Jono says, Joe is a realist. Love your work, man. Yeah, definitely, man. Like I show you what to expect in trading. I don't promise you empty dreams and promises and everything else that all these other YouTubers do. I don't do that. What I do is I show you how to successfully trade without all the complicated terms or pattern memorization. I show you as if we were in the trade together. I don't show you after the fact. I show you when I would enter at, and the reason why. So that's the most important thing. And that's what sets me apart again from everybody else. I give you the rationale. Why am I doing what I'm doing? Why don't I just follow everybody else? They're using this indicator. They're doing this based off of this. Why are you doing what you're doing? This is what you're paying for. Whether you're paying for it in the free group by, liking the posts and commenting, or in the VIP by actually, getting value from all the updates that I'm doing. I'm saying I a lot. Just to let you know, we are going to make so much money. because of the experience that has been endured. All the pitfalls, all the times I fell on my face, all the reasons people never could answer the reason why. Why are you doing what you're doing? And I eventually had to figure it out. Thousands and thousands and thousands of hours of back testing. I had to figure it out. Now, what I'm doing for you is I'm giving you all this information. I want you to have this. I want you to make money. And if you decide to join the free group, great. If you don't, or maybe there's another group. There's a group that you've been wanting to join for a long time, but it was just too much money. Well, now, based off of the information that you've gathered from my content, now you can join their group. Great. I don't even care. I just want you to make money. And that's my goal. And I show you all the stuff that I know. I show you all the stuff that I know. Speaking about know, how about Joe? Why don't you know yourself on this chart and stop talking and tell me where I can make money? Okay, sorry. So we're into this trade right now. Possible. Okay, so let's get rid of all this junk. We don't want all this junk. Let's get rid of all this. And let's get rid of our moving averages. Let's get rid of everything. I like a clean chart. Let's start the thought process again. Let's go to our daily time frame. And let's go ahead and look at this. And let's look at rows. So let's go ahead and... Where was the rows comment? Here we go. Luke, thank you for being here, buddy. We're going to look at rows for you. This is a clean chart. This is on the daily time frame. And let's see if we can get an entry for you. First thing we're going to do is go to the daily time frame and use our magnet tool. Also the horizontal line to get our levels. What I'm also looking for is a midpoint. We have a range high, range low, mid range. And would I enter this trade right now? No, sure wouldn't. Why? Because it's underneath resistance. Let's go to a 4-hour time frame. It's just going to see what's going on and see if we can possibly enter the trade. Now, I know most people use indicators, so we'll just throw those on there for you. We do have a low, higher low, and a higher low, so we do have some momentum coming up. So what I would do is I would either wait for the price action to come down to around this level, bounce, break the previous high, which would be this one, before I enter, or I would wait for it to break above here, and you could possibly enter maybe a third or half of your entry on the candle body close of the 4-hour time frame, right above this level, 0.15252. Then only put a third or a half, and then once it crosses this level, then you add your next entry. So this is my thought process for this. Now for rows, let's go ahead and do a target. If we were to get it down here, we can get an easy 15%. Nothing's very easy, but we can get 15%. And this is just a rough estimate of where the price would be. That would be our target. And if we were to enter this one with a stop loss, we would have our stop loss right, a pretty nice stop loss right around this. And this would be our stop loss. Once again, nothing on this channel is financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. This was the rapid fire on rows. Thank you so much, guys, and we'll see you on the next video. So basically that was just for the basically that was for my edit. I'm gonna edit that out, so just kind of give you a heads up. I will be editing that out. We're still here, guys. We're still here. But today though, we only have about 15 more minutes. Today we do have, and I get alerts all day, guys. I get alerts all day, and I gotta wait. I gotta wait to see if we're ready for those trades to be posted. Now, if you're not in the group, if you're not in the free group, I strongly recommend you do so. You know, because you're gonna make money. I have a proven record of this. You will make money. All right, so this one says, Murphy says, yeah, guys, Joe always answers questions. Any question quickly. Who does that? Yeah. Now, I answer questions like, man, if you go into the beginners group, if you go into the free group and you ask me a question and tag me, I answer it fairly quick. Now, the only time I don't answer within minutes, really, is because I'm making a video or a thought process video or a YouTube video or some kind of video or video editing, that's the only time it might take, you know, a while for me to get to you. And I rarely sleep, so sleep is usually not one of the reasons why I don't answer you fast. Give you a heads up. Moving on. Let's see here. All right, so let's go and so let's look at ASI. What is that, and how can I benefit from it? How can I benefit from it? So let's see if it's here, because I haven't even checked it, to tell you the truth. I want to thank everybody who's joining me on Twitter. Appreciate you guys greatly. Let's see here, and everybody who's on YouTube, I do thank you guys so much. So let's go ahead and go to ASI. I saw this, once again, I saw this. ASI Finance. Nope, that's not it. So I need more information, brother. I don't want to be doing all the research. And that's why I didn't do this the last time, because I knew I was going to have to do research as far as this goes. I saw this on the news yesterday. Can you have a look at ASI? And then it says Alt Signal. So I typed in ASI. This is the only one that comes up. Is this what you're asking for? ASI Finance? So let me know in the comments, because I don't know. I don't know. All right. So let's see here. So we're skipping ASI for now. Let's see. Ian says streamers are talking about Gala. Yeah, Gala. Well, look at Gala. Gala has been talked about because it's a gaming, and people right now are saying gaming's the next thing. So let's go ahead and put this to the watch list. And this is YouTube Rapid Fire. We unclick it, we click it again, it brings it down to the very bottom. Let's go to Gala, USDT, and MEXC. Okay, so let's do that one. See, as far as a cup and handle, let's go to a larger time frame. See, what time frame did they say? Cup and handle, 4-hour time frame. Okay, so 4 hour. See, and that's the funny thing with patterns. You can say, oh, this is the cup, and then this is the handle. Would I say that? Nope. I would say this is support and resistance. This is support resistance. It needs to break this level, and we enter. Easy. Instead of, I literally just tilted my head. I literally just tilted my head. Or you can call it from here to here, and then this to this. But the main thing is this is your lid, or this is the support resistance level. So, like, to me, this one looks good. This one looks really good. All right, so let's look at this one. This is, let's do a rapid fire. I like doing the rapid fire. All right, so we have a rapid fire on. Let's see, streamers are talking about Gala forming a cup and handle on the 4-hour time frame. The extra tension and basic pattern could help induce a move higher for Gala. Very true. Thank you, Ian, for that. Let's go ahead and look at Gala on the 4-hour time frame. Right now, we do see, we do have a cup. We do have the potential handle. The main thing that I teach, support, resistance, trend lines. This is the level it needs to break. Let's make sure our magnet tool is on. Come over here to the horizontal line. Here's our first level. Here is our second level. Let's go and do another level. And what is the price range difference between both of these? Let's go to about 14%. So this does look pretty good. Let's go ahead and look at a higher. Let's go ahead and use the fib extension tool. And this is going to give us more of price action as far as targets go. So our swing low to our swing high to our swing low prior to the swing high. And now we have targets. Let me make sure this is snapping in place. There we go. Let's take off the magnet tool. Now for me personally, I would enter right here. Of course, none of this is financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. But for me, I would actually wait for right this level. I would set my alert right here at this price. And for the target, if we were into this trade, of course, we don't get the very bottom, but let's just say we got it around right here. Our first target would be roughly around 22%. Let's go 22%. And our next target would be roughly around 37% with a stop loss of about, we can do, let's see, 14%. This would be nice. We can do this. So this would be 14%. Now, the reason we're doing that is so that if it does come into this is a really nice zone. If the price action does come down here, hopefully it'll find support before it bounces up. Now, of course, these are very rough estimates as far as the stop loss goes, but stop loss will be right there. And then, of course, our targets would be right here. The targets are in green, the stop loss is in red. This has been your rapid fire for Gala. We must wait for it to cross this breakout right here. So let's go ahead and label this. It needs to break 0.07171 with a alert at this price. That way we can see if the price action is in fact gaining support at this level that we just mentioned. Here are our targets and of course our stop loss. I do thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe to the free Telegram group. The link is in the description. Okay, so I was just saying that for the edit that I'm going to do. Give you a heads up. All right, good stuff. You're like, Joe, why are you talking so weird? It's just so that I could edit these videos. All right. And hopefully y'all can tolerate that. Why isn't it doing it? Good Lord. There we go. Okay. Oh, and thank you for everybody who reached out to me in reference to my Echo. I haven't used it in like 2 months, I guess. I still have it on my desk because it's just an expensive weather thing. And that's what confused me. Like, why is it still showing me the information as far as the weather and everything, and the time, but it's not showing, like, it doesn't listen to me or doesn't respond when I'm talking to it. Well, that's because I had the mute button on. I didn't even know there was a mute button. I guess when I was trying to turn down the volume, I must have hit the mute on one time and 2 months ago. So there's my thought process on that one. Hopefully y'all enjoyed that. And do I think this will do well? Yes. So I'm actually going to set my alert right here. And the reason I'm not, let's go YouTube ? That way I know. For me personally, like if you wanted to, you could front run this, you know, because it looks good all in all. You know, the price came down and now it's doing higher lows. So this is looking good. And the only thing is, like, you might have to hold it for a little bit because the price action could do this and eventually lose its strength, then do this, and then finally come to strength. And now the alert goes off. I'm alerted. You've been in this trade all this time just waiting. I get alerted. I see that it's finding support. I enter the trade and I'm making money within a day versus having to wait a week to 2 weeks. So that's what I do. I let the trades come to me. But this one looks good. I really like this one. And Ian's always on it too. So if Ian ever recommends to, hey guys, you might want to check this out. And Ian is one of the admins too in the group, in the VIP group, and also the free group. Ian's one of the admins. So if you have any questions or anything, you know, and Ian responds to you, he is definitely one to listen to. He is one of the admins in the group. And he's an admin here too. Like this guy's, he's sharp. He knows what he's doing. All right, so we're going to look at IMX next. We do have about 5 more minutes, roughly about. I want to thank everybody for being here. If you're just joining the channel, you've never seen me before, say hi. I just joined the channel. Let me know. I would love if, of course, if you subscribe to the channel, I'm going to make you money. Plain and simple, I will make you money. And of course, I just want to thank, you know, everybody for just spreading the word about this channel. And of course, you know, Twitter and everything else. So I just want to give you all a heads up. I greatly appreciate all of the time y'all are doing to do that. Granted, it takes a few seconds, but I mean, you don't have to, but you're doing it. So we're looking at Immutable X. All right. So this one, we did look at this one on YouTube. This was our thought process. Okay. So let's go ahead and do this one as well. All right, so let's put our circle. We have a special request, but nope, not gonna do that. Let's try that again. We have a special request from Ascending Bull, IMX. Now we did look at IMX some time ago on YouTube, and we actually looked at it somewhere around here, probably about 4 days ago. And no, I'm sorry, the beginning of the month. So almost 24 days ago, we looked at this, and the thought process at that time was the price action may come up, come down, finally break through. This is when we want to enter. We have our alerts set above. That way we're not in the trade wasting our time. Let the trades come to you. Do not chase the trades. If we would have entered right here, trying to front run this, we would still be in the trade, and this trade, it's still not good yet. We would have been waiting 25 days. It needs to break this level, gain support, and of course this would be our first target. So now, do you want to front run this one? We do have what you could call possible cup or rounded bottom, and then we have this higher low. If you wanted to enter this trade, what you could do, again, personally, it just depends on the amount of percentage that we could possibly gain. Here's our next level that it needs to break above before it enters our liquidity zone or resistance zone or just resistance. Now let's check the price range tool from here to our level. It's only 6%. For me personally, I am not willing to risk 6% to gain an extra 6% just so I can front run this move. Now let's take that back and let's go ahead and look at this action. So let's say the price comes up here, gets rejected, comes back up, finally breaks through. Would I want to enter here prior to this possible area that it's been rejected multiple times? Well, let's see, what does the price range tool tell us? So let's say we enter here to here, it's 11%. Oh, we'll call it 12%. So all in all, I am willing to reduce my risk, but at the same time also reducing the amount of money that I could possibly get from these gains of 22%. I am willing to risk this so that I could get more. My goal is to get 42%. My alert will be set right around this. It needs to break this level. My alert will be set right around, it'll be set at this level. Not around, it will be set at this level. This is where I will set my alert. Once the price action breaks above this alert area, I get alerted and I want to see if I have candles that find support on this zone. Now this zone is no longer resistance. Now there's going to be a support zone. Once it finds support, I could enter the trade here, or I could just wait for it to break its previous high, and now I enter. So as soon as I enter, I'm more than likely going to be very profitable. Now, if I do have a stop loss, my stop loss would be, let's say if we entered here, my stop loss would be about 12%, just underneath this support zone. This has been your rapid fire on IMX, my thought process. If you're not in the free group, I strongly recommend you join the free group. In the free group, we show you how to make money before asking for it. Again, you don't have to join the VIP. However, most people have due to the amount of money they made. Those that want to gain money faster, learn faster, well, they're just joining the VIP straight away so they can watch these 3 to 4 minute videos that show you all of my tips and tricks. And this is from experience. Thousands and thousands of hours of experience. I do not regurgitate websites. I show you what actually works. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video. All right, so that was my little commercial. I'm gonna do a lot of little commercials, guys. This group's gonna be big, and y'all are very, very fortunate to be in the very early stages because you have the ability to literally have me as your mentor full time. Like, people don't realize that when you join the free group, you literally have access to me full time. Same thing with the VIP. You have access to me full time. Now, when we start getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Now, granted, the VIP I want small. The VIP I want small. The amount of people that I want to help, I want that large. I want the free group to be thousands upon thousands. And you're going to see it too, guys. Like right now, the price that I have for the VIP is going to be going up. And you've already seen it too with the lifetime membership. That went up. And don't ask me about prices. If you want to know about prices, go into the free group. And of course, there it shows you the prices. But I just want to let you know, guys, I'm going to make you a lot of money. Plain and simple. I want everybody to make money. Plain and simple. And I want a lot of people in the free group helping them make money. And by that time, more than likely, our prices will be maybe like 4x, 5x. Because I know the value of what I offer. And right now, the price is very, very low. So if you're thinking about doing it, it's like, I don't know. I strongly recommend doing it, because more than likely in about a month, maybe 2, mark my words too. Like, this is not a sales technique. This is not a pressure thing and nothing like that. Like, mark my words. And probably in 2 months, the price will be going up, just like how it did for the VIP, for the lifetime membership. It will be going up, and it'll continue going up. So for me, and this is what sets me apart also, I'm not doing the paid portion so I can make all this crazy money from paid members. I'm not doing it for that. I'm doing it so that increasing the price so that there aren't a lot of people in the group. That's why I'm doing it. So eventually the monthly fee will be going up. Eventually the lifetime membership will be going up. And that's what I want. I want a group of people who are a very small group of people in the VIP. And if I keep it at the current prices, we could have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds. And I don't want that. I don't. And mark my words, guys, don't ever trust me. Verify. Verify. And you'll see it too. I'll have thousands. Like, the minimum I'll have is maybe 5,000 to 7,000 by the end of this bull run in the free group. And I won't be able to give them, everybody, all the attention that I'm giving the people right now. And that's the benefit of being in the group right now, is you can learn all this stuff. You can make all this money. You could possibly get into the VIP before the prices go up. So just kind of give you a heads up, guys. I don't want a big group. I'm not in it for the grouply membership fees and like everybody else. Like, I want this to be a family. There, I said it. Okay, I said it. Like, I want this to be a family. So let's see here. I believe that is it. Let's see here. Let's see. Murphy says, ASI even started yet FET Ocean. Okay, AGX. Okay, so these we actually mentioned, and we have in our free group, and they didn't do anything yesterday, but today they are moving. I'm in futures on all these. They're moving. I was very happy to see that I was in the green. I was in the red all day yesterday. Did I panic? Nope, because I knew what I was. Well, I could have lost a lot, but I was very happy. ASI alt signal listed on DEX screen yesterday. Awesome, man. Yeah. So whenever you have information like that, please provide that at the beginning. If not, we just kind of waste time a little bit. But I would definitely look into that. Of course, we're at the end of the show, but I would definitely look at that. I actually have a business meeting in about 30 minutes. So I have to get ready for that. But let's see what else we have here. My bad. The ASI I'm looking at wasn't listed on January 26th. Not a problem. Okay, and do we have anything else? Looking at this. Okay. Let's see. I'm in FET. All three are moving. Yes, nice. Good. Let's see here. C-Tree says, unlike the guy with the... Oh, I really need to proofread these things. Oh, that's just too funny. Let's see here. You really don't like that. That's funny. You really don't like that guy much, huh? That's funny. Let's see here. I don't like scammers. Oh, we got a scammer's address. What's going on here? Let's see here. You make it feel like family, Joe. Yeah, and that's what I want. I want a family. All right, guys. So speaking about family, I greatly appreciate all the likes you've done. I appreciate all the engagement you're doing to help spread the word about this group. You guys are the only reason that we are going to propel. Like literally, you are the reason. Like I'm the brains, y'all are the feet, y'all are the legs. Like we will only grow as big as y'all's efforts, sharing, liking, commenting, all that fun stuff. With that being said, guys, I do thank you so much. We'll see you tomorrow at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you're not a member of the free group, I definitely recommend you join. Send me a message on Telegram. I'll get you in the group. We'll get you started. Watch the videos, everything else. All I ask is that you like, comment, all that fun stuff. That's it. Nice and easy. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Thank you guys so much. You guys are the best. Appreciate each and every one of you. Without you, this channel is nothing. This group is nothing. So I just want to let you know. Constantine, appreciate you, buddy, man. Thank you so much. Of course, Ian, the man, the OG, appreciate you. C-Tree. Oh, man. I need to read these before I put them up. C-Tree, love you, buddy. You're the best. Love you so much. We got Mark. Mark, appreciate you, man. I got alerts going off left and right. We got Ascending Bull. Thank you for being here. Let's see, who else do we have? We had C10, Chevy Guy. Thank you. Thank you so much for being here. Let's see here. Let's see. Constantine, C-Tree. Let's see. I'm missing anybody. Oh, Jono, appreciate you, man. Appreciate you for being here. Yes, definitely, you know, comment, like, subscribe, and I'll make you money. Like, there's no doubt about that. I will make you money, like, hands down. Of course, we got Crypto 420. Appreciate you, man, being here. Luke is in the house. Thank you, man, for being here. You guys are great. C10, Chevy Guy. Appreciate you, man. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. Watch the videos, man. I got so many videos that would teach you so much. It's crazy. Ascending Bull, appreciate you, man. You guys are great. Just remember, we do this every single day, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If there is some reason that we can't do it at 3, I will notify you on Twitter and also in the group. So very important, stay in the group, stay in Twitter. And that's all I got. I got to get ready for this business meeting. We're doing big things, guys. We are doing big things. We are going to be huge. We're going to be a contender. I know it. Based off how I teach, based off how, you know, the stuff that I do, in my opinion, could I be wrong? Yes, 100%. All I know is that I should stop talking and let you go. And that's what I'm going to do right now. 3, 2, 1. DJ, can we get some music on and let Joe go? 3, 2, 1.